Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a serious piece of kitchen hardware that might just change the way you think about portable cooking. This is the Nuwave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop. When you hear the word portable, you might think of those flimsy burners you use once a year, but this is a different beast entirely. It is NSF certified, commercial grade, and packs a massive amount of power into a very sleek footprint. Let us start with the performance. The standout feature here is the sheer range of temperature control. You get 94 different temperature settings, adjustable in 5-degree increments, starting from a low of 100 degrees all the way up to a searing 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Most induction cooktops struggle to maintain consistent low heat for delicate sauces or high enough heat for a proper restaurant-quality sear, but the Pro Chef handles both with ease. The engineers determined that 575 degrees is the gold standard for getting a perfect crust on a steak, and because it is induction, that heat is transferred directly to your cookware with incredible efficiency. We are talking about 90% energy efficiency here. Traditional stovetops often lose a huge amount of heat into the surrounding air, but this unit keeps the energy focused exactly where it needs to be. The patented insulation technology brings the heating coils closer to your pan, which eliminates those annoying hot and cold spots that ruin a good meal. Design and durability are where this unit really earns its keep. It features a shatter-proof ceramic glass surface. It has been tested for impact resistance, meaning you do not have to worry about the occasional heavy pot drop or rough kitchen environment. Because it is NSF certified, it meets strict commercial durability standards. Whether you are using this in a professional setting, a small apartment, a dorm room, or an RV, it is built to last. I especially love the ability to switch between 900, 1500, and 1800 watts. This is a game changer if you are in a location with limited power, like a campsite or an older kitchen, as it prevents you from blowing a circuit. Now for the pros and cons. The pros are obvious. You get professional precision in a portable package. The on-the-fly adjustment is fantastic because you do not have to restart your cooking program if you decide you need more heat halfway through. It is fast, it is safe, and the surface is very easy to clean. On the downside, because it is an induction unit, you must ensure that your cookware is induction compatible. If you are using aluminum or copper pans, you will need to upgrade your pots and pans for this to work. Additionally, because it is a single burner design, you are limited to cooking one dish at a time. Overall, if you are looking for a powerful, reliable, and highly precise induction cooktop that can handle anything from keeping a delicate glaze warm to searing a thick cut of meat, the Nuwave Pro Chef is a top-tier choice. It is rare to find this level of build quality in a portable unit. Link in the description.